Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Listening, the show that helps you speak English with confidence. I'm Emma.
And I'm Liam. Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone out there. It's so nice to be with you today.
Hi, Liam. You know, I was thinking this morning, every single day we do so many things. We wake up, we eat, we work, we relax.
That's true. And you know what? Talking about our daily routine is one of the best ways to practice English.
Absolutely. Because we do these things every day. So the words become natural. They stick in your brain.
Today's episode is perfect for beginners. A one-level English, simple words, easy sentences. You can do this.
Yes. By the end of this episode, you will be able to talk about your day from morning to night. How exciting is that?
Very exciting. But before we start, everyone please hit that subscribe button for daily English listening. It helps us so much.
And click the like button too. It tells us that you want more episodes like this. Okay, Liam, let's begin our journey through the day.
Let's go. So Emma, tell me, what is the first thing you do every morning?
Oh, I have to be honest. The first thing I do is nothing. I just stay in bed for 5 minutes.
Ha ha ha. Me too. That's called hitting the snooze button. But then, what happens next?
Well, let's start from the very beginning. The first part of our daily routine is waking up.
Yes. So we can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Or I wake up at 6:30. Whatever time you wake up.
Let's practice that together. Listeners, repeat after Liam.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Great. Now try with your own time. Think about what time you wake up. Say it in your head. I wake up at...
Wonderful. Now after you wake up, what do you do? Do you stay in bed?
Sometimes. But usually, I get out of bed. We can say, I get out of bed.
Repeat after me. I get out of bed.
Good job. Now, after getting out of bed, many people go to the bathroom, right?
Yes, we can say, I go to the bathroom. Simple and easy.
Repeat, I go to the bathroom.
Perfect. Now in the bathroom, what do? We wash our face. We brush our teeth.
Important words. Let's learn them. I wash my face.
Repeat. I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
Repeat. I brush my teeth.
Excellent. Some people also take a shower in the morning. I take a shower.
Repeat. I take a shower.
Now, Liam, after the bathroom. What's next for you?
For me, I get dressed. I choose my clothes for the day. So we say, I get dressed.
Repeat, I get dressed.
Then the most important meal of the day, breakfast.
Yes, breakfast. I eat breakfast. Or, I have breakfast.
Both are correct. Repeat after Emma. I eat breakfast.
I have breakfast.
Now what do you eat for breakfast, Emma? Tell us.
I usually eat cereal with milk. Sometimes I eat toast with jam. Quick and easy.
Yum, I'm more of an eggs person. I like scrambled eggs in the morning.
Now, here's a little exercise for our listeners. Think about your breakfast. What do you eat? Try to make a sentence.
You can say, for breakfast I eat, and then add your food.
For example, for breakfast, I eat rice. Or, for breakfast, I eat bread. Simple.
Practice that at home today. Say it out loud. It helps your brain remember.
Okay, so we woke up, we washed, we ate. Now what? Do you go to work or school, Liam?
Yes, I go to work. So we say, I go to work. For students, I go to school.
Repeat, I go to work.
I go to school.
How do you get to work, Liam? By car? By bus?
I take the bus, so I say, I go to work by bus. Or, I take the bus to work.
Great. For me, I walk. So I say, I walk to work. Or, I go to work on foot.
Let's practice transportation words. Repeat after me.
I go by car.
I go by bus.
I go by train.
I go by bike.
I walk.
Perfect. Now you're at work or school. What do you do there? You work. You study.
We can say, I work from 9 to 5. Or, I study from 8 to 3.
Repeat, I work from 9 to 5.
I study from 8 to 3.
Now in the middle of the day, we have lunchtime. My favorite part of the day.
Ha ha. Of course it is. So we say, I eat lunch, or I have lunch.
Repeat, I eat lunch.
I have lunch.
What time do you eat lunch, Emma?
I eat lunch around 12:30. You can say, I eat lunch at 12:30. Or, I have lunch at noon.
Now here's a mini story for you. Let me tell you about a typical Wednesday for me.
Ooh, I love stories. Go ahead, Liam.
So on Wednesdays, I wake up at 6:30. I stay in bed for a few minutes. Then I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom, I wash my face, and I brush my teeth. Then I take a quick shower. After that, I get dressed. I eat breakfast, usually eggs and toast. Then I leave the house at 8 o'clock. I take the bus to work. I work from 9 to 5. At 12 o'clock, I eat lunch with my colleagues. We eat together and talk. Then I work more in the afternoon. I finish work at 5. Then I go home.
Wow, Liam, that was a perfect example. Did you hear all those daily routine words?
Let's review what happened in my story. After work, I said, I go home. That's important.
Yes. I go home. Repeat after Liam.
I go home.
Good. Now, when you get home, what do? Do you relax?
Sometimes, but first, I usually change my clothes. I put on comfortable clothes. We can say, I change my clothes.
Repeat. I change my clothes.
Then I make dinner, or I eat dinner. I make dinner. I eat dinner.
Repeat. I make dinner.
I eat dinner.
After dinner, it's time to relax. What do you do to relax, Liam?
I watch TV. I read a book. Sometimes I call my family. So we can say, I watch TV. I read. I relax.
Repeat. I watch TV.
I read a book.
I relax at home.
Now before bed, what do? We get ready for bed.
Yes. We can say, I get ready for bed. That means we do things like wash our face again, brush our teeth again.
Repeat, I get ready for bed.
And then finally, the best part. I go to bed.
Repeat, I go to bed.
I fall asleep.
And then the day starts all over again. Now let's put everything together in one long story.
Great idea. Liam, you tell your full day, and I'll tell mine after. Then our listeners can practice too.
Okay, here's my complete daily routine. Listen carefully. I wake up at 6:30. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I go to work by bus. I work from 9 to 5. I eat lunch at 12. I go home at 5. I change my clothes. I make dinner. I eat dinner. I watch TV. I read a book. I get ready for bed. I go to bed at 10:30. I fall asleep.
Perfect. Now my turn, but I'll do it a little differently. Hi, my name is Emma. Let me tell you about my day. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. I stay in bed for 5 minutes. Then I get up. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I wash my face. I don't take a shower in the morning. I shower at night. I get dressed and eat breakfast. I usually have cereal and coffee. I walk to work because I live close. I work from 8 to 4. I eat lunch with my friends at a cafe near my office. After work, I go home. I relax for a while, then I make dinner. After dinner, I paint or read. I get ready for bed around 10. I go to bed at 10:30 and fall asleep quickly.
Wonderful, Emma. See how we both talked about our day, but with different details. That's what makes it interesting.
Exactly. Now, listeners, here's your challenge. We want you to talk about your day.
This is a try this at home exercise. Get a notebook or just practice out loud.
Start with morning. Ask yourself, what time do I wake up?
Then, what do I do first? Go to the bathroom? Wash my face?
What do I eat for breakfast? How do I go to work or school?
What do I do at work or school? When do I eat lunch?
What time do I go home? What do I do in the evening?
What time do I go to bed?
Answer all these questions, and you have your daily routine story.
Let's practice one more time with a new exercise. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat, but this time, change the time to your time.
Good idea! Listeners, get ready. Liam will say, I wake up at 7. But you say your time.
Ready? I wake up at 7.
Great. I eat breakfast at 8.
I go to work at 9.
I eat lunch at 12.
I go home at 5.
I eat dinner at 7.
I go to bed at 10.
Amazing. You just talked about your whole day.
Now here's a special tip from me. To learn faster, say your daily routine. Out loud every morning.
Yes. Every morning, as you do things, say them in English. I'm waking up. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm eating breakfast.
This is called self-talk. It's a powerful way to learn. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a book. Just you and your voice.
Another tip, write your daily routine in a notebook. Just 5 sentences, every day. After 1 week, you will remember all the words.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. I still make mistakes, and I'm a teacher.
Ha 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 ha. It's true. I said, I go to work yesterday, and Liam laughed at me.
I didn't laugh. Okay, maybe a little. But that's how we learn. The correct word is went. I went to work.
See? Even I learn new things every day. Learning never stops.
That's right. Now let's review all the key sentences from today. Repeat after Emma one last time.
I wake up.
I get out of bed.
I go to the bathroom.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I work.
I eat lunch.
I go home.
I make dinner.
I eat dinner.
I relax.
I watch TV.
I read.
I get ready for bed.
I go to bed.
I fall asleep.
Fantastic job, everyone. You did so well.
I'm so proud of our listeners. You are working hard and it shows.
Now, before we go, we have a special question for you. In the comments below, tell us,
What is your favorite part of the day? Morning, afternoon, or evening, and why?
you can write, my favorite part of the day is morning because, or I love evening because.
We will read your comments and maybe even mention you in our next episode.
How exciting would that be? So please take a moment and write to us.
And don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Listening. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode.
Share this podcast with your friends who are learning English. Let's grow together.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. We know you're busy and we appreciate you.
Keep practicing, keep talking, and keep believing in yourself. You can do this.
Remember, every expert was once a beginner. You are on your journey and we are here to help.
We'll be back very soon with another fun episode. Until next time,
Take care of yourselves, speak English every day, and we'll see you soon.
goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye.